if you look under the panel, there's a gap, there's a lip here. That's where the hook go in like this and hook onto your panels. So you see it's hooking like that, and then with this clips over here, you push it in to lock the clips in place. Neighbor dog is barking at me. So yes, this project above proofing is done. 12 panels. 12 panels is done. Check out the beautiful work. This is the work of art. So get this done here. I got this one here. 7 panels already. And 12 panels pigeon proofing is done. I'll show you some picture and a video. If you're in the area of so this one is done, and this one also done. If you are in the area of Fresno, Clovis, Madera, Tulare, or nearby city, and need pigeon proofing done or solar panel cleaning, give us a call. We can come and give you an estimate and get a job done right the first time for you. So my name is Nick. You can reach my number as 559-663-0299. I'll see you on the next video.